Everybody, this is Katerina and welcome to Katya Beauty Style channel. And hooray, summer 2020, it's already here. And I decide I want to use something bright, fun colors because it's summer. I want to wearing no more pastel boring color. Today I want something bright and I decide go pink. I love pink color. This is look, it's very bright, it's a lot of pop, and I use this beautiful palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera. Here we have some shimmer eyeshadow and we do have a matte color. On this look I use only matte color. If you like this look, please sit down, watch and enjoy my video. Love you all and I will see you soon. Okay, my skin feels little bit dehydrating right now. I'm using Lancome Fix It as a spray. It gives you nice hydration. It's no perfume, no smell. Okay, this is my first step. Then second step, I'm gonna use Lancome beautiful eyeshadow primer, and I like it because it has slightly little bit color but not too much color, and my eyeshadow gonna stay all day long, not creased, not run. I always put a little bit on my hand and I'm gonna apply on the entire my eyelid. Again, this primer will make your eyeshadow stay all day, not run, not crease, and I like it. It's not dry my eyelid, it feels very creamy on my eyelid because a lot of these primers can really dry your eyelid, and if you have a little bit lines and wrinkles, it's gonna even show more. Okay, first step, eyeshadow primer. Now I'm gonna use in this palette Riviera this white color. This will be our number one color, and I'm gonna apply on entire my eyelid with big brush from Trish McAvoy. Okay, again I am starting from top, and what I have rest of I just drag into close to my eyelashes. It's a matte color. I'm gonna do now it's another eye. In this application we're not gonna use so much shimmer because we're gonna use lots of bright color, but I'm gonna go with matte, less shimmer, more matte. But I guarantee it will be very bright, very vibrant, but at the same time this is can be uses eye look any day for work, to go out, because we're gonna use colors but we're not gonna go too intense with them. Okay, now I'm gonna use this color East with a big blending brush from Chanel, and I'm gonna apply I'm gonna use this as my transition color. Transition color. Skin color very soft. This color will lift my eyes. This color will also little bit give me nice beautiful pop. Most important, it's blending and blending and blending. Okay, this is color it's East. Now I'm gonna go with where to start? I'm gonna go with color Monte Carlo. And again I'm going to use this blending color brush and I'm gonna go close to my eyelashes and go up like a letter C. And we start this eyeshadow application with color white. I feel you must put something on top, like some light color top your eyeshadow base, because this is its colors. You need to be careful because they can go very intense. I apply very, very gentle. You can see it's letter C. Again, blending is very, very important here. I'm gonna start working on this eye first, and then I'm gonna do really go, and I finish my second eye. I feel it's more easy for me to show you on one, and then I will rewind and I will do my second eye. Okay, I still using color Monte Carlo. I really blending and blending. Okay, now I'm gonna use this color, and it's named Bahamas. Very bright, vibrant pink. And I'm gonna use a smaller brush, eyeshadow brush from Chanel. Again, I'm gonna use this close to my eyelashes, like letter C. And you can see how we went to light, little bit more lighter, then little bit, basically this is already our darker transition here, more intense. Now I'm gonna use again this big blending brush from Chanel, and I'm gonna grab again this color. I'm gonna use this color State, and I'm gonna just blend all colors together. Blending, it's very, very important. A little more Bahamas color right here. Again, I'm gonna use this white color. I'm gonna apply close to my eyebrows. And a little bit blend. Oh, how pretty. Really, really beautiful. Again, I'm gonna grab a big brush, and I'm gonna just blend again everything with color East. So just flat big brush. like peachy and pink color together. Okay, I like pink color, but I feel it's a little bit like, ooh, too much pink. I'm gonna go with another color and I'm gonna apply color Palm, again like letter C. I'm gonna use a small tiny brush from Dolce & Gabbana. Again, I'm gonna apply close to my eyelashes and go up. Now I'm gonna use eyeshadow brush from Chanel. I'm gonna try to blend all these colors together. Yes, I am using a lot of brushes. I have a lot of brushes. It's my personality. I could use like in one application 10 different brushes, but if you don't want, you don't need. It's just my preference. I always using clean brushes and I using a lot of brushes. Okay, blending, blending. Yay, very pretty, very pretty. Now I'm gonna use my little finger and I'm gonna use again this white color and I'm gonna apply on center of my eye. Give me a nice beautiful like pop and will open my eye. Also let's go a little bit in the corner. See how pretty. Now I'm gonna use again this small brush from Dolce & Gabbana and I have little bit left over on this brush color Palm. I'm gonna use under my eye. Also, I'm gonna use right now same brush and I'm gonna use this beautiful color named Castelline. I'm gonna use under my eyelashes, on the bottom of my eyelashes. Now I'm gonna grab big brush and I'm gonna just smudge under my eyelashes. Again, let's use small tiny brush. Gonna use this again white color. Close to my eyebrows, just patting a little bit. And it's kind of too much. I'm gonna grab a big brush and I'm gonna just blend. All shadows together. Let's blend. Now I'm gonna apply, gonna use eyeliner from Clinique. It's a liquid eyeliner and I'm using close to my eyelashes and I do very easy application. I just press and close to my eyelashes. Here's such an amazing brush. I love this brush. You can see, just press. I don't do too much or heavy line, very soft. Now I'm gonna finish this eye with Lancome conditioner primer. Will make amazing difference with your eyelashes. Will make your eyelashes much more full, longer. Your eyelashes will be really looks big, lots of volume. And now I'm gonna use Caviar Volume Mascara. It's a sample from Laura Mercier. Also, I'm gonna use this mascara on the bottom of my eyelashes, and I will see you next few seconds. I'm gonna finish my another eye and I will be right back. I am back. I finished my eye look. I am so girly, Barbie girly girl today. Absolutely in love with this beautiful Riviera palette. If you like it, please subscribe. If you are a pinky girl, this is your video, right? And I finished my look with mascara from Laura Mercier. I use conditioner primer from Lancome, and I use liquid eyeliner from Clinique. Also, remember, I use in Riviera palette today only matte eyeshadow. And the first eyeshadow, I use eyeshadow primer first, then we use this white color on the entire my eyelid, and then how I done, I start with Big C and I applied color Stay. Then I went to, and it's like Big C. Then I went to Castelline, a little bit smaller. Then I went to with Monte Carlo, again a little bit more smaller, and then I use Bahamas color, and I finish with color Palm on the crease of my eye. Also under my eye I use color Castelline, and I did go a little bit more with color Monte Carlo. Most important in this, it's blending and blending. Okay, again, if you like this video, please leave me a comment, and I will see you in my next video. Your favorite Katerina Beauty Style channel. Love you all. Bye. Happy summer.